Hey, so day 8 of my React challenge, and today I have built a app called React Bar where you can order drinks and then pay for your bill. I've had a couple of weeks off for Christmas and New Year's and traveling, so a little bit rusty today, but anyway, let's take a look at the app. Okay, so a quick demo. Here's our bar menu here, and below we have our customer bill. So how it works is you click the buttons to add drinks to your bill, and it totes them up as down below. I've made wine really cheap because I like wine, and I've made gin really expensive because I really don't like gin. And then to pay bill, you just click the button and the customer bill goes back to 0 as if it's paid. So let's take a look at the code. Up here we have state, which is holding all of our drinks and their corresponding price as objects. And then we also have bill, which is just a single item, which starts as 0. Because obviously at the beginning no drinks have been ordered to start. Down in our return block, we're returning drinks, which we are defining up here and mapping, and also passing three properties along, which is the name of the drink, the price, and also a reference to an event handler, which we'll come back to, which adds the drink to the bill total. And then down below here, we are rendering one instance of bill. So I actually have 2 components this time. I popped bill into a component as well. And that's also passing as well as passing the total, which is obviously the current value of state bill. It's also passing through a reference to an event handler, which is pay bill handler. Look at our 2 components. Here we have drink, and it's pretty simple. All it does is renders the name of the drink as well as the price, and then we have on click it references the property click here, which is that event handler. And then we have bill, which is again super simple. All it does is render the customer bill, the total, and then the button as well with a which triggers that on click event. So a very quick look at our 2 event handlers. First, we've got our drink handler, which is triggered when you click on the button to add it to the bill. What this does, line by line, is first of all gets the value of current bill, which of course will start as 0, and as it totes up will become 2, 3, 5 as drinks are added. And then it declares another variable called add to bill, which takes the value of the drink that was clicked. For example, tequila shot, it's $1 because the state value of drink as defined by the index is $1. Then it declares another variable, which is these 2 added together. So say you had a bill of 0, and then you ordered a wine, it would add 0 and 1, so this would equal 1. And then it sets the state of bill to equal this new bill. So that's how the additions happen here. Our second event handler is super simple when it's triggered, which is when you click this pay bill button with the event handler. It triggers this event handler, which just sets the bill back to 0, as so. Cool, so another very simple app, and that is all. Thank you.